This is Kurt with Notify King, and today we're going to integrate ProductDyno into my Writer Hub Online app that I have here inside of Notify King. I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit, and we're going to click on Integrations first because we have to connect the integration to ProductDyno. And in order for us to do that, what we have to do is when we click on Connect, it's going to ask for our API key, whether or not we're using a collection or product ID, and then if we want to include the payment gateway ID as well as the collection and or product ID. So let's go over to ProductDyno, and we're going to pull up Writer Hub Online. And I'm going to click on Manage. Now this is a collection, as you see here in the URL. This number right here is the collection number. So we're going to copy that. We're going to come over here and we're just going to put in the collection number here. If I wanted to include a payment gateway, I could, or if I leave it open, if you're a member of that collection and you're active, you're going to be good to go. The next thing that we need is, of course, our API key, which I'm going to come over to My Account in the upper right-hand corner, and I'm just going to click on Add API Key for a demo here, and click on Create, and then I'm going to copy that API key and paste that right there. Once I click Connect, it is now connected. I can then come over to Content Locking and lock behind ProductDyno. And then, of course, log in with your details. Save. That's it. And now, once we select this, if we come over to the app, we actually pull this up, click on View. We now have a login screen. Log in with your details. They'll have to put in their email address and password, and then click Submit, and then you can log in. If you want it to go back to being public, where everyone can see the information, what you do is come back over to Content Locking, choose Public, and then if we come back over here and refresh, it is now public, and you should be able to see everything that is on that app. That's how quickly and easily you can lock the content behind ProductDyno. And keep in mind, you can update the information at any time, updating the API key, changing it, adding payment gateways. If you add a payment gateway, keep in mind that then only the people who use that payment gateway will be able to access it, but you can add multiple payment gateways. Just make sure there's one on each line. We've made this as configurable as possible. So that is it. I appreciate your time. I hope you enjoy it and look forward to seeing you utilize Notify King.